Hi everyone. Today the topic is B tree and B plus tree in case of indexing. Basically, in the secondary memory, data are organized, and how to organize the data in secondary memory, that is the concept of DBMS. Now, what is B tree? B tree is a self-balancing tree. So why we require B tree? This is because it is the most balancing tree, like avian tree, red black tree. It is also a self-balancing tree. And in this case, we assume that the data, everything or data are in the main memory. And to understand the use of B tree, we must think about a huge amount of data that cannot fit into the main memory. So when the number of record is larger, the data is read from the disk in the form of block. The data access time is very high compared to the main memory access time, and the main idea of using B tree is to reduce the number of disk access time. And in this case, the most of the tree operations like searching, insertion, deletion, sequential access, it will take logarithmic time because it will actually perform binary search, and you know that in case of binary search it will require logarithmic time. That is why here all the operation in this case require logarithmic time to access the data items. Now, what is B plus tree? So B plus, that means it has some added advantage over B tree. And it is first of all, both B tree and B plus tree both are self-balancing binary search tree. B plus tree follow multi-level indexing, and what is multi-level indexing we'll discuss later. Each node contains keys, not key and value pair. In case of BT, it will contain key and value pair, but in case of B plus tree, it just contains the keys. And B plus tree ensure that all the leaf nodes remain at the same level or height. Now, another advantage of B plus tree is that the leaf nodes are linked using linked list. Therefore, in case of B plus T, we can it can support random access and as well as sequential access. Yes, we also know that it will allow search, sequential access, insertion, deletion, all the other operations that can be performed under T in case of B plus T is also performed by in only logarithmic time required to perform this type of operations. So the main added advantage of B plus tree is one, in this case, the nodes contain only the keys, not the key value pair. And here all the leaf node are linked together by using linked list. So it will support random access as well as sequential access. Now, first of all, what is actually the concept of tree? A tree consists of some nodes where the parent node or the first node is the root node. These all are child node or internal node, and the last level, these are the leaf nodes. So what is single level indexing and what is multi-level indexing? Basically, in case of single level indexing, we have only the root node and the leaf node. There is no internal node, that is root, and the leaf node, that is single level indexing. In case of multi-level indexing, there are root node, child node as or internal node, as well as the leaf nodes. So basically, in case of a single level indexing, we actually don't require so much indexing of the record because the number of record is not too much larger. But in case of multi-level indexing, the record size is high, so we have to index it more than one time. so that we can access the record efficiently. So it is the example of single level indexing. Here index file consists of the basically the root node. Here is the index file which consists of key and the block pointer. Block pointer point to the data file, that is the you can say or think as the leaf node of the tree. So in this case only the root node and leaf node are present, no internal node are there, and each block pointer will point to each block in the data file. So what is the block? Block contains some record. In case of multi-level indexing, here you can see this is the data file, and if their data file search is here, only the three records are there. If the size of the record increase, now suppose there are 1,000 records. For 1,000 record, we require one index file that will contain like suppose 100 record. Now this 100 record you have to search, and this time is larger, so you again have to index that index file for accessing or performance better performance issue. So key in this case, key is the basically the root node. Next is the internal node. These are the index file. Both are index file. This one is the for root node, this one for internal node, and this is basically the actual data file that is stored in the secondary memory, and you require to access that. Each internal node also contain the block pointer to point the actual data value, and root index file will contain block pointer to access the internal nodes. So this is, you can think about, this one is the root node, these are the internal node or child node, and this one is actually the record or leaf node. So this is the concept of multi-level indexing. Now we are going to discuss what actually, how to insert data, how to read data, and how to delete data from the B tree. Okay.